I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into Edmentum and what it kind of looks like once you get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to click on the Edmentum login, and it should bring up a new page. Now mine looks just slightly different because I've been on here before, but your username is not what's here. That's actually your account login, this NCSD, Nevada Community School District 3.5. That's the same for everyone. Now, your username is going to be your first name, dot your last name. So in this case, I'm going to use Olivia's. And then everyone's password is password. You can choose to change password. However, if you change it and then you forget your information, there's a possibility you're going to have to restart the course over. So I would recommend just leaving it password. Log into your Edmentum account. And while that is working, hopefully, I'm going to show you your usernames because not everyone's looks the same. So if you just want to look through here, some people have hyphenated and some last names are actually middle names. So just looking through in case you cannot log in, here might be the reason why. And of course, it looks like it's still working. There we go. So now I'm in as Olivia, and you will notice that it says your class right here. The class is Entrepreneurship, also known as the Middle School Enterprises, and you're going to click Select New Activity. Now, everyone's going to be slightly off pace because this is the end date of the end of the quarter. That is not a big deal because you haven't logged in before. So if you click Select New Activity, the first thing that's going to come up is your orientation. So if you want to learn how to use this Plato software, you can. Otherwise, you can dive in right away to Unit 1. So you're going to take the pretest, and it should bring up the pretest that you're going to take. Obviously, I'm not going to take that for Olivia. And then after that, you'll jump into, so you want to be an entrepreneur. So there's a tutorial and there's a mastery test. That should get you started for the next couple days.